I think we can. We're recording right now. Cool. So, great, Suruchi. Thanks for joining me on the Creator Series. This is, as you may have seen any of the videos, I'm trying to talk to people about their work, about what they find interesting, how they find joy and meaning. So, this is about you. So, tell us a bit about yourself. I understand that you're not very comfortable on video, but you have taken the leap here and you come on this video call. So, tell us a bit about yourself. Where are you? What have you been doing for a while? And how did you join Spaceport? And what are you doing with it?
Yeah. So hi Amal, thank you for having me here.
Yeah.
And like I said, my name is Suruchi and I am a 26-year-old hustler. I'm a huge believer in human potential.
Hmm.
Currently, professionally, I'm working with this startup called Spaceport. I
Hmm.
am a part of the founding team, and I've been here 3 years now.
Right.
So yeah, that's a bit what I'm doing right now.
Okay. So what does Spaceboard do then? Tell us more about what do you did you have a job before you started or you joined Spaceport?
Yeah. So Spaceboat is my second job, and
Right.
Spaceboat is basically it's a space sharing platform for educators,
Okay.
where uh, if an educator wants to conduct their classes and do not want to buy an entire space of their own, what they can
Right.
do is they can take a space through us on a sharing basis. So another institute owner who has classrooms lying idle during certain times of the hours might want to monetize them. So
Right.
we are the facilitators between the two.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And
that's
for the
basically
for Spaceboard, what are you doing?
as a graphic designer. So quite a shift of fields. I had initially, as with Spaceboat, I was initially exploring the role of a design intern. But
Hmm.
actually, eventually, Samarth, who's the founder of Spaceboat, he
Hmm.
sort of, when we started talking, he just asked me if I wanted to explore the generalist role. And I found it interesting. And yeah, that's the history.
Okay, okay. So 3 years, what all have you done? How many schools do you work with? What is the scale of the operation right now?
So Spaceboat currently has more than 100 centers under management in Delhi NCR.
Hmm.
And yeah, so we have 50 plus paying users. It's just that obviously because of Corona, we're like completely
Shut.
badly hit. Yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
ours is a completely offline operation. So
yeah.
clearly, like that's what. Before that, yeah, I was a designer. This is my second job. So
Right. So you do design work, or what are your core responsibilities at Spacebook
yeah,
now?
at Spaceboard, I'm literally doing everything. Like design is just probably 1%, 2% of what I'm doing.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am doing sales, I'm doing BD, I'm doing marketing, SEO, product management, planning new product launches, like literally everything that is required to get a business off the ground, like literally
Right,
doing everything.
right. And
So I'm
Samarth
the
is a
first
Samarth is a
employee in the
co-founder.
company. Sorry.
I said Samarth is a co-founder.
Samas is the founder. I am the part of the founding team, so I work for Facebook.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Great. So, fine. And how has been your journey? So, so since that's your second job, and initially you were working as a graphic designer, how's been your journey as a founding member of the team at Spaceboard? What would you tell people in case somebody is considering? Because right now, at this point, if you look at it, a lot of people will be struggling. Some of will be laid off because of
Yeah.
coronavirus, and some
Yeah.
of will be wondering what to do in future. So what is your suggestion? Do you think people should start up? Do you think people should join startups? What do you think?
So I think about joining startup, I'll sort of answer that independently of Corona situation right now.
Ah,
My journey with Spaceboat has been like literally absolutely adventurous. It's been amazing to be able to learn so many things. So I've been professionally, I've been slightly confused in my life before. I sort
okay,
of jumped fields like many a times. I did science in my graduation and then to graphic design and now completely a business role. So
right,
I think Spaceboard sort of came to me as a very as a blessing, I'd say, because like I said, over here, I got to do so many things. I got exposure of so many things. I learned almost everything.
Mm.
And I got to know ki, "Arey, these are the pieces that I like. This is what I don't like." As an example, I don't enjoy sales so much. I enjoy customer relations. I enjoy marketing. So all of that
Mm.
piece.
Right.
So my general advice to freshers probably would be to definitely at least give an year at a startup because it
Mm.
gives you a chance to experience multiple things. And I say this because I don't know. I think my belief is probably only 5% of us know from the beginning कि अरे हाँ यार हमें ये बनना है हमें X करना है Y करना है. Most of us are confused and just get into the first thing that just comes our way probably.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is just matlab independent of the corona situation. Just speaking about corona, I think definitely clearly a lot of people are being laid off and the
Yeah.
situation is quite scary, especially in the offline sector where we are also. So I don't know, like I think I don't really have an advice for people. Just probably stay sane, keep hustling, just try out your options. Don't give up. I think that's the only thing I can say to anybody. I usually say this to people who are hustling in life, who are sort of, not taking the traditional paths in life, but
Yeah.
currently because everybody in a hard situation, I think the only thing I can say is don't give up. Keep
Yeah.
sort of,
Yeah, I think
yeah,
that's important right now because I mean most of my work is also offline, and
yeah.
yeah, one of the ways I'm trying to spend time right now is talking to people who are doing online businesses. I mean one of the reasons I
Mm,
started this initiative is to be able to learn from people who are doing different kinds of stuff which I'm not doing.
nice. So let's say even at Spaceboat, where currently I told you about Spaceboat, but right now I am currently leading the launch of a new product at the company, which is
Okay.
called Curio. So
Right.
at Curio, we're trying to build learning centers for children,
Right.
offline learning centers, and we were
Right.
about to launch our first center when COVID happened. So
Okay.
completely sort of took us by shock. But as you said, because uh, hard times like these force you to innovate and stay
Yeah.
relevant. So even
Right.
we are currently contemplating all kinds of online stuff.
So
Uh,
what kind of classes happen at these centers? So what kind of classes do you conduct? So do you only just are you only into space or you also organize the kind of classes that happen there?
so let's say through Spaceboat, we were primarily only facilitating space sharing.
Right.
But Curio is it's a more curated platform where still we are not the ones who will be teaching ourselves, but we'll
Right.
be tying up with specialist educators who are experts in their own fields to come and
Mm.
deliver classes.
Mm.
But it's a highly curated platform versus Facebook, which was more open to everybody.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
Curio is quite and but then at Spaceboats so far in the last few years, how have the classes been happening? Who has been delivering the classes? What standards of students?
So let's say Spaceboat has been serving various categories in education industry. We've been serving after school activities educators. We've been
Right.
serving entrance examination coaching providers, corporate trainings, professional coachings, all these digital marketing courses, etc.
Right.
We've also been hosting a lot of meetings such as a lot of these programs like TFI. They have their teacher trainings, all of that. So like literally varied across the education sector, so all kinds of
Okay.
stuff.
Okay, nice, nice. Good stuff. All right. So largely, so how have you, so basically, I mean, everything that I tie to things, I try to figure out how people are finding satisfaction, happiness out of the efforts they're making. Are you happy being at Spacefood in the last few years? How, or do you think you would have done certain things differently?
No, I am actually very happy, very satisfied, and genuinely enjoying my time here.
Nice.
Uh, I think everybody knows that startups is a very difficult journey. It's not easy to be a part of startup, and
All right.
like it's been 3 years. It's continuous hustle and everything. So it's very difficult, but I love every part of it, and I don't think I'll do anything differently. I've grown significantly through these 3 years. I've got
Right.
enough opportunities. I have a great mentor who invests in my learning so much that I
Okay.
can never be grateful enough. So absolutely, absolutely loving my time here.
Oh, excellent, excellent. That sounds great. In fact, because a lot of people are in situations where they think they might have done differently. But it's great that you found satisfaction there. Anything else you want to tell to people who might be listening? Any advice from your side?
No advice. I think, yeah, no advice. Just
No, you should
in
give
this.
some advice.
Yeah, so I don't know. Let's say just specifically talking about this lockdown. I think I am
Yeah.
having a wonderful time personally.
Okay.
But I've been hearing a lot of things about lockdown actually not being great for people who are not safe in their houses because of
Right.
different kinds of abuses that are happening to people.
Yeah, people are beating up everyone around them.
People are, yeah, that also, but yeah, I was just talking about something more serious. So
Ah,
I think if you are unsafe in your homes, please reach out for help and please take
yeah.
care of yourself.
Yeah.
And those who are safe in their homes, and for them, I think I can just say कि if ever in life you ever thought कि अरे यार मैं एक एक्सरसाइज करना चाहता हूँ पर मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, so
Mm.
this is a wonderful period where you're probably saving some time because of commute or just generally because your company is not doing too much work right now.
Yeah.
Please use that time to do something that you always wanted to do,
Yeah.
or just use it to do something that you like just I don't know, play music or just play with your family, spend time with them, just be happy.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a lot of people cribbing about the lockdown, so I am just I'm like, yeah, you've got so much time, use it to your advantage, or just stay happy, do whatever makes you feel better and good.
Yeah, that's true
Yeah,
because I think one of the most important things right now I realize is to just hang in here because just
yeah,
just just hang around in the hope for this period to get over and without getting affected by this nonsense going on.
yeah, absolutely. Because nobody knows until when it's going to go on.
Yeah.
So it's important for people to, I guess, occupy themselves in something and not otherwise to, I guess, सब पागल ही हो जाएंगे.
Yeah. I think that's a nice way to end this discussion.
Yeah.
So thank you for your time. I think this is good, and
Thank you so much.
I'm sure there because you found satisfaction in what you're trying to do. I think when people listen to you, somebody will be able to get something from this discussion.
I hope they do. I think just as a last piece, I want to say if there's anybody out there who's hustling right now and being sort of maybe on the verge of giving up or contemplating giving up because these are hard times, I
Yeah.
think I am there. You can reach out to me.
Mm.
I completely understand the need of support in times when you are sort of alone or there are not too many supporters.
Yeah.
So you can definitely reach out to me for that. And last piece I want to say, I think the just about your creator series.
Yeah.
So I just want to tell this to everyone. So Amar had posted this thing on his LinkedIn, telling everybody about the creator series, and he just wrote a one-line description which I absolutely loved. The only thing he wrote was, "I'm doing this creator series for people who love what they're doing in life." And I
Yeah.
think it's just an absolutely such a lovely phrase to sort of categorize people into.
Right.
So beautiful. I think beautiful series, Amar. I saw your previous videos. It's great, great, great. It's amazing to see the everyday people doing good in their life and getting to know about them. So great
Yeah.
work. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for doing this.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad. I'm so glad they found that worthy because I realize because although it's one thing to say that to people who love their book, but you realize how few are those numbers because I have tried to spread the word as much as possible even with people I studied with, but I have to
Yeah,
literally search and find these people.
yeah, yeah. No, I understand. Yeah, it's just. I think I would say I am happy here at Spaceboat, but before that, even my life was in a complete mess. So yeah,
Yeah.
completely
Yeah.
relate to that feeling as well.
Yeah. Great.
I
All right.
hope that
Thanks.
everybody finds what they love in life.
Yeah, I
Absolutely.
hope I hope so too. That's the whole point. Otherwise, it's quite meaningless.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Amar. Thank you
Thank you
for
so much.
having me.
Stay
Have a
safe and
good day.
enjoy your time
Thank
as
you.
you're already enjoying it right now. So have fun. Bye.
Bye.